Hey guys, we're in Bali at the Trans Resort and I wanted to show you what you can get for 5-star luxury that is way, way, way less than you would pay in Mexico or the Caribbean. So you need to check this out. This is called the Celebrity Suite. Check out this living room. Oh my gosh. They left us some fruit and a nice message. But look at what's out there. It is a pool access room, so just get down into the pool, no steps. And there's the restaurant across. How cute is that? Look at how big this pool is. And this over here has little jacuzzi jets, and that goes into our bedroom. Beautiful bedroom here. King size bed is so comfortable. And then check this out. Trevor can literally roll out of bed into the pool. That is so fun. It's got a vanity, closets with robes that light up, and then big bathroom, big tub with that view. And it even has a Japanese toilet seat that is like sensor activated when you go near it and dries you and cleans you, and I'm not really sure how it works. I kind of want to use it though. So this room is called the Celebrity Suite at the Trans, and it is so affordable when you compare it. A night here is can start at about $275 a night, but when you compare that with other places like Mexico or the Caribbean at a Secrets or a Sandals resort, they're way more. They're like $1,000 a night. And here you get a butler, you get your laundry done included, breakfast, you get high tea, you get free cocktails, and this room is huge. With all of the amenities and service that you get, $275 is a killer deal. So if you are in Bali, or you should probably think about coming because it's actually amazing and the weather is perfect, then you should treat yourself to the Celebrity Suite at the Trans Resort. Their standard rooms start at about $100, which still have all of the awesome 5-star services, but this room is incredibly cool. Breakfast in bed this morning. Spoiled rotten. How are those pancakes, babe?
They're good.
This is the club lounge where every evening you get to come. Trevor's got this really swanky mocktail. And of course I have champagne. It's a no-brainer.